Welcome back. The unit tests are over and we are back with our report card comments or remarks to be written for sometime for 30 students, sometime for 40 students, sometime for even 60 students also. That too, none of the comments should be same, and every time we are trying to write new comments for each of the students. If you all are like how I used to be, then the Sunday afternoon is gone, the weekend is gone, just like that. Because every teacher has a Sunday ritual, that opening the spreadsheet and sitting in front of the spreadsheet and trying to write each one child new comments. And it is to be written 3 to 4 sentences. What if I say that I write my comments in just 10 minutes for 40 students? What you need for this to do is just one prompt and the list of students with just 2 pointers for them. That's it. And that too, you don't have to learn a new app. This can be done within the Canva itself. So let us see how we can go about it. Just come to Canva and click the plus icon to create and come to document. Just a doc and you get the document. We are going to create it in A4 size. And when you are opening that, you have an option here. After ask Canva, you have magic right over here. Just click on that and you just have to paste the prompt which I am going to give you. Now the prompt says you are helping a grade 9 teacher writing report card remarks for each student. Write a warm specific 2 to 3 sentence remark based on the notes I give you. Avoid generic phrases. Mention one strength and one area for growth and end with an encouraging note to the student. Keep the tone professional but personal. Here are the students' notes that I'm going to paste the list. So I'm just going to add something to the request. I'm going to upload a file. I have a file over here which names list. So just click on it and add it. Now I'm just going to press this arrow. That's it. Let us wait for the Canva to do it. You can see here within seconds it has created wonderful. Don't you think this is magic? If you think magic, comment magic in the comment box, and I can say 10 remarks in 1 second. So I have added only 10 students' name. I will also open the list also here so that you will get to know the list also what I have shared. Right now here it is. I have just added only 10 students' name with strong in group work, needs help, quiet but improving. That's it, simple. Now I have given a simple list with just 2 pointers and 10 names only. And at the same time, if you're going to give for 40 students, you're going to get 40 remarks, that too unique remarks like this. I can read one of those comment or remarks also. Arup consistently demonstrates excellent collaboration skills and contributes meaningfully to the group discussion and projects. While he continues to develop his understanding of fraction concept, his willingness to ask question and seek help shows great maturity as a learner. Keep up the wonderful teamwork, Arup. Your positive attitude makes every group stronger. Now let me insert here. Now the progress report card remarks is inserted here. Now if you want, you can click the button share and click the button download. That is it. It will get downloaded and you can have a wonderful remarks in seconds, created in seconds. If this saved you even 10 minutes of your time, subscribe it, like and share it with your friends. And every week I'm going to share one such kind of specific way to get away with your evenings and weekends back using AI and Canva. And if you want the exact prompt, the Canva template, I have put them together in the description. Check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss practical tech and AI tips for teachers. And if you're ready to save time creating stunning classroom resources and make teaching more engaging, join my Canva course exclusively for teachers. You will learn everything step by step, from presentation and worksheets to AI powered Canva tools that transform your classroom. The course link is in the description below. I look forward to seeing you inside. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and remember, technology should make teaching easier, not harder. This is Aruna Suresh signing off. Happy teaching.